What's going on, peoples? What's going on? Man, back at it, but in a different way. As you see, man, from the thumbnail, I'm selling my Camaro. I don't get much ride out of it, man, so only because it's a 6-speed, and because of that, me and my work schedule and me driving far for work and all this good stuff, man, it's always easier for me to just jump into the truck instead of sticking this around in traffic. Y'all already know, if you stay down here in Atlanta, that traffic be crazy. So with that being said, man, I figure I'll go ahead and sell it, use the money, put towards other projects or whatever, you know what I mean? So this just gonna be a quick little rundown about the car itself. So if you follow me, you know what I mean, y'all all know I kind of inherited this thing. So with that being said, made some cleanups to it, all this good stuff. The car itself has a little over 53,000 miles on it. Let me see real quick. Let me see. Bring inside. 6-speed. So yeah, super clean. You see it. Even got the mat down here. It says logos, badging. Seats clean, back seat clean. Super clean car, man. Let me see. As you see right there, 53,268 miles. You know what I mean? So, we're gonna fire this thing up in a little bit. Let me just give you a quick little run. We got power windows, power seats. What else? Complete V8, ain't been touched. Need some cleaning up under this bay though. But V8, 8-cylinder, 6.2 liter. All original wheels on it. I put a system in the back, but the system won't be coming with it. However, the speaker box itself, because it is a custom speaker box, that speaker box will come with it. If you know about these cars, you can't put like a regular speaker box in there, so I had to get that done. But the speakers won't be in there. I don't think nobody really want them anyways, and the amp won't come with it, but the speaker box will come with it. All the way around, super clean. So changed out the hood on it. That's why I got the prop. If you you know, it's a fiberglass hood, so you can't use that, the regular old what they call it, the shocks, the hood shocks for it, because it'll snap the hood. But hood's super great, and I'm gonna lower this in a little bit. I mean, fog lights, all that stuff work. We're gonna fire it up real quick. I do need to put some air in the tires because the car been sitting up for a minute. So when I came out here this morning, I noticed that the TPMS reading a little tire pressure. So on a couple of them, so they at 28, holding at 28. I think it's supposed to be like somewhere around the 30s. That's one tire, and I think another one's like at 26. Oh, need some gas too. So let's see what's up with this. Trump pop, low tire pressure. There you go. So basically tire pressure. That's what that light is right there. So I'm gonna put some air in it, man. I got an air compressor at the crib, so that light should be off. You know what I mean? For the person who do look up and get this situation. Again, 6-speed, all the gauges work. Bluetooth, all that situation work. Control on the steering wheels, everything works, man. This car is like, to be a 2010, like, it's immaculate, like it's dope. Everything works, no issues whatsoever. It's gonna be like I can't really like point out a whole lot with it. It do need like some extra care when it comes to like cleaning or whatever. So like I noticed this right here, and I usually like get down on this kind of stuff pretty good, but I haven't been able to touch it, y'all. So, but let's lower this hood. Again, this stuff works, everything works. Hit the signals, see the blinkers work. Let's go around on the outside. Turn the lights on. I think the lights on already. So, see if we can. Yeah, so you see it work. Do. Hit these lights in the front. See what's going on with them. See the blinkers. Blinkers work. Fog lights work. I changed all the bulbs out. Put some LED bulbs. Hyper white. Halo rings work. I think I can get them to work without the car. Let's see. Alright, yeah, so see the halos. Both halos work. But you know, like when you turn the lights on these cars, if you don't do that swap, the fog lights go out. It's on the sensor. So check these windows out real quick. Let y'all see this. So power window, come down, go up by itself, no hands. You know what I mean? Same thing with the other situation. Go down. Uh-oh, wrong one, my bad. Go down, no hands. Come back up, look, no hands. So, what else? I'm trying to cover everything, y'all. You know, everybody, typically when they see these posts, man, they wanna, well, what's up with this or what's up with that? You know, like, bro, there ain't nothing up with this one. This is gonna be simple and easy. Look up. I actually, be honest with you, I put it up on Carvana, and I already got an offer for it to pick up. I'm just kind of like testing the waters, see what's up. Y'all already know once they pick it up, they're gonna jack the price up, and it's gonna go to somebody at a higher price at what I'm asking for. So let's lower this real quick. Alright, so y'all see that hood? I think it's about a 2 to 4 inch scoop on it. Look nasty from the inside too, man. So, let me put these latches down. I've been trying to work on getting it right. So, let me see. I'm gonna set up the GoPro real quick, get a little test run. Y'all hear how it sounds. Now, and she moved. And the gauges. Radio, let me just go on turn this to radio real quick.
And BET Tyler Perry Comedy. Available on Freevee, Pluto TV, Roku, and more. Brought to you by Walmart.
I'm John Morgan of Morgan & Morgan. For over 35 years, we've grown by offering our clients more offices, more lawyers, and recovering more than $20 billion. Injured? The choice is easy. Morgan & Morgan. Visit forthepeople.com for an office near you.
Now, it's your
Traction.
time to make more money and be your own boss. Come to the franchise show on October 19th and 20th
I think I gotta turn
at the
this
Cobb
off.
Gallery.
Alright. So, I'm gonna get a quick little vid of it riding in the parking lot. Close the doors. Make sure it's unlocked. Actually, let me roll the window down. Trying to think of everything, man. Y'all see, bought some premium audio in it. This work latch, I need to clean it out, but it works. And latch, see, it's locked. Power seats come up. Go back. The slide on the manual. Oh, that's gonna be hard to do with the one hand situation, but it's manual. I think the other one slides up automatic, so let's check that out. Yeah, so come up, go back, slide. Back, super clean in the back. Y'all already know ain't nobody sitting in that back seat, so no rips, no tears. Just like any other driver's seat, y'all can see like where it'll start turning a little bit, but no rips, no tears in the seat. It's me. I don't know how you know with this red, how you get that to come back out. I know they make like a situation for black, but I don't know if they do it for that orange. Let me see. So we'll come with 2 keys. Got one right there, one right there. Both work pretty good, so no problem. One of them flip key situations. You know what I mean? So that being said, man, get this ride video real quick. So after the ride, see it's still running cool, running real good. Oh, let me zone back out. So no leaking, no none of that extra junk. Oh, you know what I mean? Nothing happening. So again, goodbye. Make me a decent offer, I might consider it. You know what I mean? But of course, you know, I ain't going for anything. Quick little walk around again, and then that's gonna be it. Gonna head back to the house. Gonna jump on the Malibu. Got some more stuff to do. Finally got some downtime on my hands, so I'm finna get back to it. But yeah, man, super clean. You did. So hit me up. Y'all already know. Hit me up on Instagram at D's Life. That's DSLYFE. D's Life. Shoot me a message. Hit me in the comment section. All that good jazz. If you're interested, and we gon' make it shake. You did. So get at me.